In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Instagram with ManyChat. We'll walk through the entire process, from connecting your Instagram account to setting up an automation that sends a direct message whenever someone interacts with your content. By the end, you'll have a simple automation live and working for you in the background. First, log into your ManyChat account. On the left-hand sidebar, look for the settings option. It's the one with the small gear icon. Go ahead and click that. This is where you manage the main configuration for your workspace, including the social channels you connect. Inside the settings area, look again at the left panel and find the section called Channels. Under Channels, you'll see Instagram listed. Click it and make sure your Instagram account is properly connected to ManyChat. If it isn't, you'll be guided through the process of connecting it. This connection is essential because without it, ManyChat won't be able to send or receive messages on your behalf. Once your Instagram is connected, move back to the main left panel and click on Automation. This is where all your flows and automations live. You'll see a list of any automations you've already created. To make a new one, look at the top right corner and click the button that says New Automation. A pop-up will appear. In that pop-up, choose Start from Scratch at the top right and then select Start with a blank from the drop-down. This gives you a clean canvas to build exactly what you want. You'll now be taken into the Flow editor. Here's where the fun begins. In the editor, click the option to add a new trigger. A pop-up will open. Select Instagram as the channel. You'll see several Instagram trigger types, such as when a user comments on your post or reel, replies to your story, sends a message, or shares your post or reel as a story. Choose the one that fits your goal. For this example, select User Comments on your post or reel. A drawer will slide open on the left side. Decide whether this trigger should apply to a specific post or reel, to all posts and reels, or to the next post or reel you publish. Let's choose all posts and reels for a broad automation, then click Continue. Next, you can refine this trigger with keywords. You can add keywords to include like guide, as well as keywords to exclude if you don't want the automation firing on certain comments. If you prefer, you can simply select any comment to trigger the flow every time someone comments. When you're happy with your selection, click Continue again. You'll now see an option to set up a public reply in the feed or to skip it. Decide whether you want ManyChat to also leave a public comment automatically, then click Save. With the trigger set up, it's time to build the first step of the automation. In the editor, add a message and make sure the channel is set to Instagram. This will be the direct message your commenter receives. Type in a friendly message, for example, "Hey, thanks for your interest. Here's your free guide. Click below to download it now." Keep it clear, short, and aligned with what you promised in your post. Now, inside that same message, add a button. Set the button title to something like Download Guide. For the button action, choose Open a website and then paste the appropriate link into the URL field. This should be the exact link where people can access or download your guide. When you're finished, click Done to save the button settings. At this point, your trigger and first response message are ready. Take a moment to quickly review the flow in the editor to make sure everything looks correct. The trigger type, the keyword settings, the message text, and the button link. Once you're satisfied, look at the top right corner of the screen and click Set Live. This is the final step that activates your automation. After you do this, whenever someone matches the trigger conditions you set, ManyChat will automatically send them the Instagram direct message you just created. And that's the full process. You've connected your Instagram account, created a new automation from scratch, set up a trigger based on comments, crafted a direct message, and added a button that sends people straight to your guide or offer, all without needing to manually respond to every single comment.